Hey, Mike. How are you feeling today?
I'm good. Actually, I'm feeling very calm today.
Yeah? That's nice. I'm feeling calm too. It's a quiet day.
I think it's the weather. It's cloudy, but not too cold. No wind. Everything feels still.
I love days like this. They make me want to just sit and do nothing.
Exactly. I've been sitting by the window for an hour, just watching the trees.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. No phone. No noise. Just quiet.
You know, I've been thinking about that word lately. Peace.
What about it?
What does it really mean? For me, peace is not just quiet. It's a feeling inside.
I agree. You can be in a noisy place and still feel peaceful, or you can be alone in silence and feel very stressed.
Yes, exactly. So peace is more about your mind than your surroundings.
So, how do you find peace when your mind is busy?
For me, I go for a walk. Just slow, no destination. I look at the sky, the trees, listen to birds.
That's beautiful. For me, it's making coffee in the morning. The smell, the routine, it makes me feel grounded.
Coffee again.
Always coffee.
Speaking of peace, do you have a place that always makes you feel peaceful?
I think my grandmother's garden. When I was young, I used to sit there for hours.
What was it like?
It was small, but she grew flowers everywhere. Roses, lavender, and there was a little bench under a big tree.
That sounds like a dream.
It was. Even now, when I smell lavender, I think of that garden. It calms me.
That's so special. For me, my peaceful place is the beach. Any beach, really.
What do you love about it?
The sound of the waves. It's constant, but it never feels loud. It's like the ocean is breathing.
Nodding. I've never thought of it that way. The ocean breathing.
Yes. And when I sit there, my own breathing slows down. Everything slows down.
But what about when life gets busy? When we don't have time to go to the beach or sit in a garden?
That's a good question. I think peace can be found in small moments too.
Like what?
Taking 3 deep breaths before answering the phone. Drinking a cup of tea without looking at a screen. Even washing dishes can be peaceful if you focus on the water.
Washing dishes? Really?
Really, when you're not rushing, it's just warm water and quiet. It's like a mini meditation.
I've never thought about that. I always rush through chores.
Maybe next time you make coffee, try to just be there. Watch the coffee drip. Smell it. Don't think about anything else.
Just be present.
Exactly.
You know what else brings me peace? Being in nature. Even just a park.
Yes, I was going to say that. There's something about trees and open sky.
Why do you think that is?
Maybe because nature doesn't rush. A tree doesn't worry about yesterday or tomorrow. It just grows, slowly.
That's a beautiful way to put it.
And when we're in nature, we start to feel that slowness too. Our breathing matches the wind. Our heartbeat matches the earth.
Do you think people are naturally peaceful? Or do we have to learn it?
I think we're born peaceful, but life teaches us to rush, to worry, to compare. So we have to unlearn those things.
Unlearn. I like that. Peace is something we return to, not something we achieve.
Yes, it's always inside us. We just need to remember.
What about peace with other people?
Sometimes that's harder.
Much harder. People can be complicated.
Yes. But I think peace with others starts with listening.
Listening without planning what to say next?
Exactly. Just hearing them, not trying to fix anything.
That's hard. We always want to solve problems.
But sometimes people just need to be heard. When I feel listened to, I feel peaceful.
Nodding slowly. That's true. And when I listen to someone, I also feel peaceful. Like we're connected for a moment.
Connection. That's another kind of peace.
Yes. Peace isn't just being alone. It's also being with someone and feeling safe.
You know, I'm feeling really peaceful right now, just talking with you.
Me too. I think sharing thoughts like this is its own kind of peace.
We should do this more often. Slow down, talk about things that matter.
I'd love that. Maybe next time we can talk about happiness or dreams.
I like that. For now, I'm going to enjoy this quiet afternoon.
And I'll make some tea.
Perfect.
Thank you for being here, Mike.
Thank you, Emma.
And thank you, everyone, for listening. We hope you find a little peace today.
Take care of yourselves.
See you next time.
Bye.